Hi guys, and welcome back to Bob's Corner. Thank you very much for returning. Thank you for your lovely shares, your likes and your comments. Just remember to subscribe. Now this section is talking about opening up your mind. Yes guys, opening up your mind. Now on my last video I showed you a remix of opening up your mind. Now these are the things guys for your keys. You need to open up your mind. Discover who you really are. Some people it takes millenniums. Some people it takes only a few days. But the thing is though guys, it's all inside of you. All your DNA is all inside of you. You just got to learn how to open it up. And the only person that can help you is God, Jesus, the angels and the disciples. Because I think we're all part of the same crew. In life, you have these things that will try to manipulate the ways of the becoming. You're ordained in your life to do what needs to be done in your life. And some people will try to ruin it for you. Don't let them. Don't listen to them. Always have clarity, peace, love, hope. But most of all, guys, is to be the version you should be. Take it from the man itself. Now, in life, you'll have challenges. In life, you have motivational skills. You just got to learn to open your heritage. It's all in there. You didn't survive this long for nothing. Thank you very much. I hope that meant something to you. I'll see you on the next on Bob's Corner. Just remember to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.